Hey YouTube, welcome to Sans World.
I roll my eyes just so you know.
Wow. Okay guys, anyways, here we have
Hello everyone, I'm Dominique, or Dom for short.
Alright, so we've basically been watching a bunch of YouTube videos on the Bentonite clay hair mask, and we've never tried it before. So today will be the day that we adventure out on the other side of the natural world. We're not sure what to expect.
Not at all.
So yeah, do you have any thoughts on that?
I'm terrified for my life. I've been struggling with very dry hair. I cut my hair completely off 2 years ago and it's grown back very thick. It's now about like right here when it's stretched. But like lately I've been struggling with dryness. I've been hearing about this mask. I'm hoping it can maybe help me.
There's a lot of videos saying that if you do this consecutively, that after a while, you know, your amount of shrinkage reduces. And I've seen people that had like really thick coily hair have their hair just like hang in. So
Goals.
yeah, I'm just here for the ride and to have a good time.
Because I asked her to do this for me because I'm too scared to do it by myself.
So that's it. I don't know what to expect. I hope I have my hair on my head afterwards. That's all. So yeah, so we're just gonna get right into it. What you'll need: bentonite clay, water, mixing bowl, mixing tools, preferably plastic, and of course, apple cider vinegar.
Like literally the whole bottle.
But you have a lot of
She
hair.
must have lied.
This is literally your whole bottle.
That's what I'm saying. I feel like somebody lied.
Okay, I'm gonna do this.
Oh my god.
It stinks.
Yes. Oh lord.
It smells like poop. Actually, no.
I don't know, no poop. Let's smell like this. But this smells.
What is that?
Oh lord.
How come mine looks lumpy? Should I use the other tip?
Look at how yours look compared to mine though. Yours looks so much more smooth.
Like, you ever get a whiff of it and I feel like I can't breathe?
It's not poop though. It's like it's
Like scrambled eggs?
ew, no. I ain't eating no eggs that smell like death.
Oh, I made mine real nice. Okay, I'm ready.
I'm afraid for my life right now.
Well,
Very afraid.
we're literally about to do this. I know that the sink is gonna get super messy. So I just washed my hair with shampoo and
I'm not about that life. So she watched first. I watched other people just put this straight on first instead of washing. I'm scared. Why do I even have this?
I think you should just like,
Use my hands.
yeah. Is it fine to be clumpy? Because it is a bit clumpy.
I'm scared. Look at this already. Just hair. Come here. I don't know what to do with my hair in your house. You know,
It's fine.
Where do I put it? I'm scared. Oh Jesus! How much are you putting on? Like a lot, a little?
Well, just coat like all of
A
the
lot?
strand. Yo, you are right. This is definitely falling in places.
But like,
Yeah,
how much?
I'm coating. Look,
Look at you. My hair ain't.
coat.
Should I make mine more wet? My hair is definitely like more dry right now.
But are you spritzing it?
I spritzed it before I put it on. Should I be trying to completely soak it?
Yeah.
Really?
You need more.
You think I need more?
Sway. I feel like you need a little bit more.
You think I need more?
Yes. Look at mine. I'm literally like.
I'm scared because my hair is very dry, and like there's part of me that is afraid that this
It's fine.
will
It's
dry my
going.
hair out even more.
So Nappy Foo said not to apply it to your ends, that it should just be at your roots.
But when I looked at other stuff, they were saying to apply it to the whole like thing of the hair.
Well, I'm definitely applying it to the whole thing of the hair. Hair grew.
There's always been. I will say though, I am seeing like my hair is kind of clumping.
Yeah, the curl
and
definition.
My hair normally doesn't do this. Definitely doesn't. Like it's clumping. Look at this though.
I don't think we should be talking through this.
We're gonna die.
I can't breathe.
Humiliation. Wow. My hair don't do this. Just for the record. My hair don't do this.
I don't really happy.
I'm not like shook.
Shooketh?
I'm not shooketh because I've seen other people talk about how it did that for them, but I was just kind of thinking like, oh, my hair not gonna do that. Like, my hair's too thick. It's too nappy. It's just hype. Like, these are people whose hair probably was doing this stuff anyway before they put the clay on. But do you notice anything, or your hair just feels the same? Bro, the fact that your hair is that long, it just hangs like that.
I mean,
You're blessed.
Normally my hair
hangs. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm
like
saying.
it hangs, but it hangs
not as low.
Yeah.
So it like kind of is making your hair. It's not shrinking up as much.
Yeah.
I was thinking like, oh, we can control it.
I wasn't even thinking about the mess.
Sure.
I honestly wasn't.
I was. That's why I came to her house. Because I'm not about to do this at home and mess up my bathroom. I'm gonna have to clean it.
You still gotta clean the bath.
Yeah, but mine, it was just like if I'd have messed it up.
Look at the wall.
I'm sorry.
No,
how am I clean my spray bottle? I
You're
know, but I'm just scared. And I'm also like looking at how quickly you're done. And I'm just like over here struggling still. I'm also scared about making a mess. Which
just make it. It's funny, I cleaned the bathroom before we did this. This was dumb.
But Camille, I'm sorry. My hair don't do this.
Look at this.
My hair does not do this.
Look at this.
And it's hanging.
Oh wow. I told you your hair is as long as mine. Look at that. No, it is.
Yes,
Really?
well I'm still sitting here kind of like.
You stink.
I know.
Like, you, the more you move, the more I'm getting the whiff.
You don't smell like no spring roses either.
I'm not sure what to expect after this, but...
Like, I'm scared that it's not going to last. Like, I'm scared I'm going to put it in and wash it out.
And it's just going to go back to normal.
Right. I do not like this feeling on my boob.
I just feel like with all YouTube naturals that there's a sense of, like, hidden truth behind it all.
What you mean?
As in, like, I don't know, like, for example, they would be, like, you know, doing their wash and go or their wash routine, and they wouldn't, like, I feel like they don't show you how much everything, so it's like you have this misconception of, like, you're doing something wrong in your routine. I feel like with this whole clay mask thing, that, you know, there's not a lot of... You were so focused on, you know what, whatever.
I'm listening to you because I know the struggle, because when I first cut my hair off, I was constantly looking at other people's videos and thinking like, oh, I'm going to get this product and my hair's going to look like that. And like somebody else tried to warn me. My friend who was Nigerian and she had 4C hair and she was like, boo-boo, your hair is not going to look like these people. And I just wanted to believe. I was just like, I just believe in my spirit and my shanana that if I... I'm sorry, wait, can we like...
Can we zoom up? Hold on.
I don't know. And y'all I'm not being beat. It's my birthmark, that dark spot on the side of my face. G. I'm sorry, I'm not from Chicago. I've been around Chicago people for a little while. But like...
Don't stick it to me.
Look at my hair. Bruh.
Oh, show the, like, the springiness of it. Come back. Look at this.
This is why I feel... Uh-oh.
So this happened. I'm done. And homegirl right here.
I'm a slow poke.
She's still struggling.
I'm a slow poke.
I'm also dying because this wasn't the smartest thing. As you can see, I'm like literally about to run tears. Okay. I might have to wash this off because it's burning my face off. Unless it's like pulling out all the impurities.
That's probably what it's doing.
But I can't breathe. You ain't dying.
I'm not. I'm strong.
I needed to set a timer. 30 minutes, right? Yeah?
Sure. Let's go with that.
Oh my. Ooh, my face is burning off. What if it burns me? People have said that like it burns their skin.
Don't keep it on your face long.
Okay. Oh, and I put so much apple cider vinegar.
You really did. You didn't put nothing else in it.
Woo! All right. I'm gonna have to take this off.
Maybe keep it on for 5 minutes.
Oh shit.
Unless it really, if it hurts, then definitely take it off.
Like it's stinging.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it burned me. I got burnt. I don't know if you can see. Kind of hard, but. So guys, I just washed out my hair and I'm kind of shook. I mean, I honestly look like I don't have any hair. Like I look bald. Normally whenever I wash my hair out, my hair is a lot more fluffier, but it's very clumpy and very defined. Like,
I'm scared.
oh, okay, I'll save it. Dominique hasn't washed hers out yet, but we'll come back on camera together and tell our final thoughts. I think I'm gonna go put some deep conditioner in my hair, and then, yeah.
And look at how my hair sheds. That's nasty.
Isn't that normal?
Yeah. But to me, it just feels nastier because my hair is so thick. So I feel like when I shed 3 hairs, it looks like 6.
Yeah.
So it definitely has like benefits to it. I think I would hope that over time, if I were to like, you know, do it for a certain amount of days or whatever, that it would help it not shrink up as much. Like obviously you can see I still have a lot of
Shrinkage, yeah.
But I only used it once, so like I can't really expect for it to.
I feel like there's some parts of your hair that's like the definition of the curl is there.
Actually, see, it's like, first of all, the middle of my hair normally doesn't clump at all. And I see that here that it did.
Yeah.
And normally that just, it doesn't. And it's not that great, you can see. But like, you can see that it tried. So like, if I were to do it, I think it would make a big difference. So I'm satisfied overall.
And it was worth it.